Hey, everyone, and welcome to The Byline, where we talk about the strategies and technologies that are transforming business finance management. I'm Chris, and in today's episode, I'm focusing on an industry built on energy and momentum, the fitness world. If you own or operate a gym, a yoga studio, or a health club, you know that success is about more than just great equipment and motivating instructors. It's about creating an experience. But behind the scenes, there's a part of your business that might be completely out of shape: your accounts payable process. Getting this right can be one of the most critical ways to increase your profitability. We're going to talk about how AP automation can help your business grow while empowering your team to focus on the tasks they actually enjoy. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. I'll start by painting a picture of the typical accounts payable process at a multi-location fitness business. You have, let's say, 5 locations. Each studio manager has the authority to buy necessary supplies. Right away, you can see the potential for issues. Studio A is ordering towels from one vendor, while Studio B is using another, probably at a different price. Studio C needs an urgent treadmill repair, and the manager just calls the first company they find on Google. Meanwhile, your finance team back at HQ is dealing with a sea of invoices coming in from all directions, both digital and physical. They have to manually enter every single line item into a spreadsheet or your accounting software. Then, they have to email a manager to get approval, who might be busy teaching a class and doesn't see it for 3 days. It's slow and prone to human error. Typos and duplicate payments happen all the time in manual systems, and it has real financial consequences. Let's break down the 4 core challenges this creates specifically for fitness businesses. First, there's managing multi-location spend. As we just discussed, decentralized purchasing leads to maverick spending, which refers to spending that happens outside of your company's negotiated contracts and approved budgets. It slowly but surely erodes your profit margins. Second is the problem of diverse and recurring vendor payments. Think about it. You've got equipment manufacturers, supplement suppliers, janitorial services, software providers for your booking system, marketing agencies, utilities. The list is staggering. Manually managing payments for hundreds of vendors with different terms is a full-time job in itself, and it's how you end up with late fees and strain important supplier relationships. Third, you have the high volume of small, repetitive purchases: the towels, the cleaning products, the water for the cooler, you name it. Individually, they're small costs, but they accumulate into large stacks of invoices. And when the administrative cost to process an invoice is 5, 10, maybe even $20, you could easily be spending more on the paperwork than on the products themselves. That's just not a sustainable model. And the fourth challenge, which is critical for any ambitious fitness brand, is scalability and seasonal fluctuations. We all know about the January rush. Your memberships spike, your locations get busier, and you need more supplies. A manual process creaks and groans under that kind of pressure. And forget about expansion. If your AP process is already a mess with 5 locations, imagine trying to open 10 more. The complexity multiplies exponentially. You can't build an empire on a foundation of spreadsheets and paper invoices. So, we've diagnosed the illness. What's the cure? It's AP automation. And this is more than just a piece of software. It's a fundamental shift in how you manage your finances. AP automation software digitizes and streamlines the entire process, from the moment an invoice is received to the moment the payment goes out. Let's walk through what that actually looks like. It starts with invoice capture. The software uses technology to automatically read and extract all the key data from any invoice, no matter the format. The vendor name, invoice number, and amount due all get pulled in instantly. From there, the system takes over. It automatically routes the invoice through customizable approval workflows that you design. For example, you can set a rule that any purchase under $500 from a preferred vendor is automatically approved for a studio manager. But any equipment purchase over $2,000 has to be approved by both the regional director and the CFO. This gives you incredible spend control without creating bottlenecks. Next, A good system needs to integrate seamlessly with your accounting software, whether that's QuickBooks, NetSuite, or something else. This is non-negotiable. Once an invoice is approved, all the data syncs automatically to your general ledger. This means your books are always accurate and up to date, which makes your month-end close about 1,000 times faster and less painful. And here's where it gets really powerful: spend analytics and reporting. Because all of your spending data is now in one centralized place, you get incredible visibility. With a few clicks, you can see exactly how much you're spending per location, per category, or per vendor. You can spot opportunities to consolidate vendors and negotiate better prices. You can forecast your budgets with actual, real-time data. This is how you move from being reactive to being strategic. The final piece is automated payment processing. The platform can schedule and execute all your vendor payments for you, using whatever method is preferred: ACH, virtual card, even a check if you have to. This ensures everyone gets paid on time, every time. Platforms like Order.co even take it a step further, allowing you to pay hundreds of vendors but only receive one single consolidated bill each week or month. Just envision your studio managers logging into a single portal, ordering supplies from approved vendors, and instantly triggering the right approvals. Finance gets a clear, real-time view of spending across all locations. No more chasing down invoices or wondering where the money's going. Order.co turns what used to be a frustrating, reactive process into a seamless, proactive strategy. All right, let's quickly recap the key takeaways. First, manual accounts payable is a massive, hidden drain on fitness businesses, leading to uncontrolled spending, inefficiency, and an inability to scale. Second, the four main challenges are managing multi-location spend, juggling diverse vendors, processing high volumes of small invoices, and handling seasonal demand. And third, AP automation solves these problems by centralizing your entire procure-to-pay process. It provides automated invoice capture, customizable approval workflows, seamless accounting integration, and powerful spend analytics. It gives you the control and visibility you need to build a truly healthy bottom line. As the fitness industry gets more and more competitive, operational efficiency isn't just a buzzword, it's a requirement for survival and growth. Automating your accounts payable is investing in a foundation for a stronger, more scalable business. So ask yourself, how much time and money is your current process costing you? And what could your team accomplish if they were freed from that administrative burden? That's all for today's episode of The Byline. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to follow the podcast for more financial management tips. See you next time.